Hey guys, hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Draw the Strokes. So in today's video, we are gonna be drawing this picture of Kakashi from Naruto. So this video is gonna be part 1. That means in this video, I'm gonna show you all how to draw this in a step-by-step and in a clear manner. And I'm sure with you all guys that if you have followed my video, your drawing gonna look something like similar to this. I will be showing you how I colored it and what medium did I use to color it in my next video. So without wasting the time, let's get started. As you can see, I have drawn a box which is of 10 into 10 centimeters and I have divided it into half. It means it's 5 centimeters from here. As you can see now, it's 5 centimeters and also here it's 5. Some protractor on it. It's 5 degrees more than straight angle. So that's the way you have to draw the box. Even here, I have drawn this because it makes it easy for me to explain you and it makes you guys easy to learn. So let's get started. Draw a line like as you can see here. A straight line for his jaw. And then comes his chin. So his chin should be on the bottom box. I mean his chin should be on the, what should I call it? Okay, let's call it bottom left. So now you can see that how simply we can draw it with the use of these grid lines. His right eyebrow should be near to the center line, this center line, and draw it upwards. Yeah, something like this. And then his left eyebrow. To draw the eyebrows, they are like inverse shape of tick mark. Adding some cloth, skin folds. They are not cloth folds. And a line for his nose. His nose is coming in bottom left box. It's even easy to communicate in this way by drawing these grid lines. Draw his right eye in the top right box and simply add a curve to draw the bottom of the eye. Now I am drawing the pattern inside his eye. There we go. Adding his mark which he had on his right eye. Don't know why there is a scratch mark on his right eye as I am not familiar with this anime. Now his left eye. Repeating the same process again. I'm just drawing a curve and dragging it down the ends. So on top left corner box, start a line and bring it towards the right side, extend it towards the right side. There goes his hair, what is it? Forehead band or sweatband. It's kind of sweatband. Now quickly let's draw the mask on his face. add some cross folding at the area of his nose. So let's quickly draw the shape of symbol on his forehead band. His symbol is like C shape and curve it inside and add an extension at the top, and there goes the triangle beside it. Add some cross folding on his forehead band as well. So for drawing the hand, don't worry, I will make it easy for you. I know it looks very hard at beginning, but it's easy. So first, draw a shape of square as I am showing here. It shouldn't be perfect. I mean, I'm not drawing a square which is like mathematically perfect, but it should replicate the shape of the hand. And then I'm extending lightly for drawing his thumb. And then on top of the cube, I'm just adding shape of the fingers. So to draw the fingers, they are not a continuous line. They are like divided into 3 lines. I mean 1 and 2, and this is the third one. Same with all the fingers as well. Now add the glove on top of the fingers. There we go. It is as easy as drawing his face. So no need to worry when you're drawing a hand. Not only in this drawing, if you want to draw a hand in any other drawings, you can just use this method of square. Adding a line to indicate the skin fold. And now I'm gonna add his neck. To add the dress, I mean collar of his dress, start a line just like a curve from bottom of his chin, and also from bottom of his mask here, over here, from here add a curve.
a small circle to show the button of the dress, and another curve beneath it for his shoulder. I'm drawing a zip of the shirt.
Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned how to draw Kakashi from this video. I'm gonna show you how I colored it in my next video. Until then, bye.